Adani Group own Ambuja Cements, which will merge the acquired company Saurashtra-based Sanghi Industries and Andhra Pradesh-based Penna Cement Industries with itself. Now, of course, this is a new arrangement with the existing acquisitions of Ambuja Cement, really trying to consolidate and further cement the cement business by the Adani enterprises. What's your view this morning, Amar, on Ambuja Cement?
If you see, if you're looking at cement stocks, what we witnessed is that cement stocks did correct and then they pulled back. If I am talking specifically about Ambuja Cement, so what we are seeing in Ambuja Cement that it's caught in a trading range because some of the technical indicators, if you look at that clearly points towards that upside seems to be capped around the 600 mark. The stock has been trying to inch up higher post the sharp correction from almost 450 odd levels. Currently, it's around 570. So I would say that wait for anyone looking at fresh entry either should wait for a break above the 600 consistently. Then you can expect some significant rally in the stock. Otherwise, the stock, as per technically charts and also if you look at the fundamentals perspective, seems to be trading in a narrow range. Downside support for the stock is somewhere around the 530, 550 zone.
All right, so that is the view coming in on Ambuja Cement. But let's talk about the parent company, Adani Enterprises, also for a bit. Adani Enterprises also has been reeling under some pressure this entire year. In fact, we told you yesterday that Gautam Adani is no longer in the $100 billion club. And that, of course, comes by way of the kind of beating that Adani Enterprises has also taken over the year. The stock is down almost 15% year on year. So what do you make of Adani Enterprises, not just as a trading strategy for today, but going forward, where do you see the stock, Amar?
See, if you look at the Adani Group stocks and Adani Enterprises, we've seen some very sharp volatility, which has been due to certain reports coming out. But the stock has been able to bounce back most of the time. So that's one interesting aspect because in last year, January, February, in 23, the stock had literally collapsed from almost 4,200 levels to 1,000 levels. And then again, it rallied all the way towards 3,700 levels. Currently, it's around 2,500 odd or so, 2,482 to be precise.
Right.
So what it effectively means is that the company definitely has a lot of potential per se, but at times such reports which come out, they have an impact on the selling pressure by investors because when a company really becomes a size of Adani Enterprises or the Adani Group, so it's not only domestic investors, it's international investors also who keep a close eye and watch on the company, and any report which could be other way has an impact. So from that perspective, we are seeing this volatility. If I look at the Adani Enterprises stocks, as per the technical structure, I would say it's definitely trying to form a bottom. The recent low isn't likely to be breached in a hurry, which was around 2025 or so. It's around 2,500 levels, 2,480. But on the upside, it's not going to be easy for the stock to rally above the 2,700, 2,750 zone. So there is a possibility of a pullback. And once the stock starts sustaining above the 2,600 mark, so roughly 100 rupees from here, then you can expect a rally of towards 2,750, 2,800 levels, but that's it, where the stock could meet with some selling pressure. So that's it for Adani Enterprises.